Get a large bowl, put in 2 1/4 cups of plain flour. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour. Then add half a tablespoon of baking powder and add half a teaspoon of salt. Now mix this in. I like to whisk it. Now get a mixing bowl and use a hand mixer or whatever mixer you've got. Put in half a cup of butter at room temperature, so we want it to be soft. Then put in 1/4 cup of vegetable shortening. Then add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. So get 1 large lemon or 2 small lemons and grate the zest. Now you want to whip this on a medium setting on your mixer or hand mixer for about 3 to 4 minutes. You want it to be light and fluffy. Now add 1 large egg and mix this to combine. Now add 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of lemon essence and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Just mix these in until it's combined well. Now with the mixer on the low speed, slowly add the dry ingredients. Get a baking tray, baking dish, baking paper, something that you're going to put in the oven. I use this. I know it looks horrible, but it works. It's a silicone that's just been used hundreds of times. Now get the mixture, roll into some pretty decent sized balls, about 1/4 cup. Now just flatten each one down so they're about 1 centimeter or so thick. You want them to be quite thick. Just get something flat. Now pop these in the oven at about 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 375 degrees Fahrenheit, for 13 minutes. Alrighty then. Now just leave them there for about 5 to 10 minutes and then transfer them to a wide rack and let them cool completely. Once they've cooled, we'll make the frosting. Get a large mixing bowl, put in 1 1/2 cups of icing sugar or confectionery sugar, 1/5 of a cup of softened butter, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon extract, and 1 1/2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Get an electric hand mixer and whip this until it's light and fluffy. Now this is optional. You can add 1 or 2 drops of yellow food coloring or just get some yellow sprinkles that you put on top. Yellow food coloring you mix in here. Now just put the frosting on top, however thick you want it. Simple.